Corey Jernigan here from Country Chevrolet. Today we're going to do a walk around of this 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Has the Willys sports package. So you get the black aluminum Jeep wheels. It does have this aftermarket front bumper, winch with nylon. And a light bar. You got ditch lights up here. This has the 2.0 4-cylinder engine. Gets 21 to 24 city or highway mileage, and average is like 22, 23. Do have backup camera. It is just a black on black. See what this looks like. It's 2.0. It's clean on the inside. Okay. Cloth or leather interior, but it's not heated seats. Like I said, you have a backup camera. You have your compass, your radio, your media. It does have Bluetooth, cruise control. It has 25,715 miles. Have your AC, your four-wheel drive, push start. But there is no power locks or windows. It is all manual. And of course, for your media. Let's go back here and open this up. Does come with all-weather floor mats. Of course, you got your power outlet back here. It is ready for a rail system. Got your cargo. And your jack will be under here. It's for your roof, you know. Little things right here. Like I said, this is at Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky. We get these types of Jeeps in all the time, and they do not last long. People really like that 2.0 4-cylinder. It's great on gas and has plenty of power. It does have a Fox suspension system, although so come test drive it, take it home. You can reach me at 270-703-8633. We also have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Our names will all be up there, and links in the description. And come. It's a beautiful rig. Thanks for watching.